Greetings, my name is Chinemunawe and welcome to today's lesson. Our aim is to make mathematics simple. On today's lesson, we'll be focusing on addition, subtraction, and division. On this slide, we'll be talking about addition. First thing first, we have to know what addition is. So, addition is the action of adding something to something else, or the process of calculating the total of two or more numbers or amount. So we have a small activity below. So in this activity, we are saying that Masilo has 2 apples. He receives 4 more apples from the shop owner as an appreciation for helping clean the shop. How many apples does Masilo have? So in mathematics, we take everything into practical to make it much more simple. So we are going to take this activity into practical. So right now we'll be moving on to the practical side of our activity. We'll be using bottle caps to represent apples, right? So in the activity, we see Masilo had 2 apples, right? Here Masilo's 2 apples. The left hand side will be representing Masilo, while the right hand side represents the shop owner. Here are the 4 apples that the shop owner gave to Masilo, right? So since we said addition is combining 2 numbers, we are going to combine the left and the right. So we are going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Masilo now has 6 apples, meaning that we combined the left and the right, making 6 apples. Now we'll be looking at subtraction. Subtraction is the process of taking one number or amount away from another. So in this activity, Masilo now has 6 apples. He drops 3 on his way back home. How many apples does Masilo have now? Now we'll be moving on to the subtraction activity. Remember from the addition activity, Masilo now has 6 apples, right? And we said along the way, on his way back home, he drops or he loses 3 apples. So we are going to take this surface as the road, and then we are going to drop 1, 2, 3. These are the apples that Masilo lost. How many apples are left at the top? Meaning how many apples does Masilo now have? We are going to look at these apples. Remember, the left hand side represents Masilo. Now we have 1, 2, 3. Meaning Masilo is left with 3 apples. Remember, this is going to be our last slide, which will be talking about division. Division is the action of separating something into parts or the process of separation. Masilo has 8 apples. He has to share them with his 2 younger siblings. How many apples will one get? Right now we'll be moving on to the division activity, our last activity. In the division activity, we said Masilo had 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And he has to divide these 8 apples amongst himself and his siblings, right? So we are going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. At this moment, they all got 1 on 1, and we are left with 4 apples, right? We are going to say, okay, these 4 apples can be divided among 4 people again. We are going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. That's why we see each person getting 2 apples, right?